Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Me change Judas. With the media grow, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me done, dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be the show you. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Me change Judas. With the media grow, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me done, dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be the show you. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love.
Time no day for the hustler. Brother pass me the Rizla. Make a roll up my sorrows. On a street man a fighter. Yeah. Time no day for the hustler. Yeah. Brother pass me the Rizla. Yeah. Make a roll up my sorrows. Yeah. On a street man.
Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? How's it deep, bro? Yo, how do you, boy? Sit down, calm down. Charlie, what's up? Why you react to?
Charlie, the client is gonna say.
Stop that joking. Why are you trying to tell me?
Oh, I didn't receive any money.
Repeat what you just said.
I said the client didn't give me any money.
What the hell, bro? What did I tell you earlier before you leave?
You said I should bring the money.
So where's the money now?
You didn't give me any money.
Damn, bro. Damn. Don't tell me that, bro.
What do you want? Is it from the 419 people? 3,000 Ghana cedis. No, this one it might be from the 4 people. Let me confirm something. Mobile money received for. Hey, it seems to be real. Oh, sister. Hello, sister. Hey, I'm managing. So you are the one who sent the money. Well, thank you anyway. Do you know what? I thought it was maybe a wrong transaction. The one was even happy, pa. I jubilated for few seconds. Why did you call me before? I thought it was a wrong transaction. Thank you anyway. Okay. Don't. Oh, need not to worry. Actually, you've tried because the boss even called me. See, I told you that the boss should talk to the agents about it, concern the reduction, negotiation, other things.
So now, how will I get my money?
But it's your client.
Stop that nonsense, bro. Huh? What's that, bro? What are you trying to tell me?
Huh?
Boss.
No, what are you trying to tell me?
Boss, I beg.
I don't know him from anywhere. So how will I get my money? Talk to me, bro. How will I get my money?
Boss, that one day.
Damn it, bro. Damn it. Flop up. Damn it. Your first delivery and you flop up? How? Huh? What happened?
The client said he will send you the money. That's why I didn't bring the money.
Damn it. I tell you earlier that I don't receive transfer. I receive my money in bulk. Cash. Huh?
Yeah, I said that to him, but he said he knows you, so he will send the money. That's
Damn it, bro. Damn it, bro. Damn. Huh. Listen up. Next time when you are going, you make sure you take the money before you give out the goods. Is that clear?
Okay.
Is that clear?
Okay.
Alright.
Next time I will bring the money.
Damn.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he called me. Sorry I couldn't tell you earlier on. He did. Okay, he said we should bring 5,000. So since you've sent the 3,000, I think, not even I think, I can even try and manage and get the remaining 2,000. So you need not to worry at all. Okay, thank you anyway. But then, you don't want to consume the money, that's why you send it. Don't worry, I won't also consume it. Okay. Okay, thank you. You know what? Let me even call the boss to confirm so I can just do the transaction very fast because I don't want to lose this opportunity. Okay, I'll get back to you, okay? Okay, bye. I love you, sister. I thought it was even from the 419 people crowd. 3,000, I need to send you. Won't it be best if I get some 2 hours people, then I take 3,000? I can even get 6,000. No. Get bonus of 1,000. No. If they choke me, I'll suffer. Let me even try.
Yeah. Perfect things. I'll be perfecting. Perfect things. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I'll be perfecting. Perfect things. We be perfecting. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. With the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm crushing, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many forever.
Good afternoon. Afternoon, TV I will call it. As I'm checking live also, and as I'm who other.
When I say I'm frack bag.
Okay, we name you boy Hayana more. As I'm who now, check your swag and all. And some of my hala near there. They're from this to now, so
From Cook.
Bye, is there diver? Who refiano? Okay, but as I'm delivery goods on, sneakers and clothes on. Maybe I also have to do the beer heavy.
So the amount of the beer.
We video some of the boys. Rama. Yeah, Rama. Ah. Wow, I'm seeing you again. How are you? Can something like a hug.
Not something like that.
Oh, at least you're my friend.
Yes,
I should move back. Rama. Okay, no problem. So but like today you're looking. Hey, you this
why?
girl. Anytime I try to touch you, be doing yourself.
Are you my fiance?
Oh, but that was what we talked about the last time. You even remember?
It's
me?
still the same.
Still the same.
Yeah.
So like you're rejecting my proposal or what? Rama.
Something wrong.
No, like it's too much. You see, I don't know what I'm feeling for you, but it's too much. You're rejecting. You keep on rejecting.
I told you I'm not ready to date.
Rama.
Okay, we don't have contact. Found them now. Hey, already home go hard on. Already go to Zanka, they go. The German man, I am not friend.
The metro. Being here.
You know, no cool time on boys now one. When we go club boy. About Kumasi. Let's show the
Yeah, perfect things. I'll be perfecting. Perfect things. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I'll be perfecting.
Who's that guy?
I am a friend.
Your friend.
Yeah.
Hey, you.
I didn't know Bonnie Bear now.
Mokwe.
You could
I hope everything's fine.
That'll be wrong.
Oh, yeah. Where have you been?
Me, this town, the whole neighborhood, everyone knows me. I'm the assemblyman.
Hey.
Going to escort your friend and you're holding a son like this.
Oh, you don't be done. I'm not about you, Haggy, and one I say,
They'll be wearing one and say,
I can't watch Sony saying to Bonnie Benny.
no, it's obvious.
No, I'm just joking. That I said I'm the assemblyman.
Oh, so where are you going?
No, like, she was going to escort me
To where?
to the house.
Now, girl, no.
She's a friend. She came around to visit.
Swan, as I'm saying, the Bia, can be your friend. My baby so no be down so you're down.
Oba me fenam.
Sana, who said no be answer in second posting and the brain.
Hey, Ama.
Meet you. So now, Kawasa. Or what for me? So the main check I also have to know. And you know some mammy. You might say. But oh, you can come over, but it's not some more around for nowadays. Oh, you're on the way. But I'm not in the house right now, but I was enjoying. But I Oba me guy back home. Yeah. And Obi or your friend Girls P Girls President, but me and Girls P.
Is that a fiancé?
Yeah. Where are you going?
I'm just passing by.
You're going this way.
When he calls me.
Okay.
And actually, me go down the crime.
Who jam up with Jano?
Oh, Mammy Johnny Crime Bray, will be a best rami and made the mean Johnny.
You can go.
No, I'm going this way. You are going this way. Okay, then let's wait for it.
Go. Ama, Baba you. That's a boy we now.
Hey, Rama,
Yes.
this is my friend now.
Hey, how are you?
Fine.
Hope everything is fine.
Well, everything.
So where are you guys going?
She was going to escort me. But you, when do I will come and see you. You've never sent me there. Rama. Everywhere. I'm the assemblyman of this community.
Hey!
Huh? Are there only more visa? I would say. Tia tuntum. They all want to say, tia tuntum saba. If you are not, oh, Susuma will be for there. But okay, over there. Okay. Then, see you soon. Love you. By girls, tuntum, tia tuntum. Girls, and I acquire I'm a friend. So then Kayo no dia Kayo good.
Perfect things. I'll be perfect.
So I'm saying, Sharon, you feeling you crowded.
I'm always busy.
Yeah, baby. I say anytime piano phones won't come out. I say one day be so in your time, mammy. What I say, 8 me a quarter baby, 8 me G. You who say dating a date. I say, wait, you only say I'm grow big granny.
It's not like that. I don't even have time for myself. 24/7, I'm always busy doing different kind of things.
Oh, okay. Now what do you want to say?
He even told me to thank you for him.
For
the money you gave it in the last time. Yes.
That's more money. Skakutana me the man.
It seems small money for you, but to him it's very big money.
Skakutu be na me the man no ni sa. But I say you made the mommy so na.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try as much as possible to prepare.
Give it to me a quiz.
Hi, Kobe.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Still. Fine. What are you doing on your phone?
Chatting with my friends. So.
Okay. Something in your head.
Oh, thank you.
Kobe, I want to tell you something.
What?
Right now.
The laugh now.
Where are you going tonight? Somewhere
like poolside.
No, I'll be very good.
Why?
That place is so cool.
So, Papa now, okay.
Let's go to Starbites.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Very soon they will call us Mr. and Mrs.
Really?
Sure.
Oh, just talk, Miss.
Oh, never mind. It's okay.
Oh, you just talk. Oh,
It's okay.
feel free and talk.
Yeah, I was coming to ask you, have you seen her?
She did inside.
No, I'm just coming from the room. She's not in.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm going to check in.
No,
Right.
she's not in. Really, I'll be back soon. I'm going out to check something.
Okay. Then take care.
Hey, but we have just
So when will you be back?
business with
When you're for PT. Have you seen this one, right? One day I'll come you fill it with money.
Oh, no problem. Just come. I hear.
Will you feel it?
Why not?
I don't want one city.
Just
Maybe
come.
I want big. Say 50 city and I need.
I forgot something. I forgot something. My friend sent me that I was going to collect something from him, so I need to go home. When you can then come on a cell phone.
Okay.
So, here we go. See you, okay?
Okay.
Andy.
I'm not comfortable when my friend is powerless, like powerless.
Why?
No friend.
What's it?
I'm not comfortable.
I'm not ready to deal with fucking head. I mean, it's a jackpot. I think I would say, doing your money. I mean, dumb bear 4,008 plus 4,800 and something.
Hey, I don't know where you now easy.
From my view, I say, guys, the Jeep, you know, China will say, why they.
Multi mistakes view. You forgot downloaded one expert app. Come on for there. Make I talk you. One expert. You download down. You register with the promo code HRF2030. If you use that promo code and you deposit 100 Ghana, you can get 200% bonus.
Are there any new app?
The new app.
Abakura my boys to try to talk us now. They will.
I am no answer since one.
You talk me. You know we right now to say bet we are your basa chat and each me.
This time I will. Have you seen this house?
Nice.
One day I'll come and rent it. No, I'll come and buy.
Wow. Okay.
It's very nice.
If you can afford, yeah.
If
you can afford. If you can afford, yeah.
I said, will you add something? When I'm going to buy the house, will you add?
I'll think of that.
Okay.
The way I make happy. By overhead you. We were talking about one is best.
Yeah.
The promo code no Charlie. HRF no. They change the deposit. If you deposit it's now 300% bonus. 300% bonus.
Hey. Business will be saying you.
Oh, by one is better.
Shun that
one.
Oh, but today that make up you. What's it? Check it.
When you
open the till make us see something.
Actually, no. You know one man. I put three.
Open and make us see something.
Yeah, perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. Who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be show you. Me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro. Perfect.